Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Product Review Top 5. In today's fast-paced world, a reliable and efficient microwave oven is an indispensable kitchen appliance. Whether you're reheating leftovers, defrosting frozen foods, or quickly preparing a meal, a high-quality microwave oven can save you time and effort. With an abundance of options available on the market, it can be challenging to find the perfect microwave that suits your needs. To help you make an informed decision, we have compiled a list of the top 5 best microwave ovens. These appliances have been carefully selected based on their performance, features, user reviews, and overall value for money. From compact models for small kitchens to large, feature-packed units, this list covers a diverse range of options to cater to different preferences and requirements. So, without further ado, let's dive into our roundup of the top 5 best microwave ovens that are sure to enhance your cooking experience and simplify your daily tasks. Number 5. Konka T6 Microwave Oven. I recently purchased the Konka T6 microwave oven, and I must say, I am extremely satisfied with my purchase. This microwave oven has proven to be a reliable and efficient kitchen appliance that has made my cooking experience much more convenient. Here is my review of the Konka T6 microwave oven. Design and appearance. The first thing that caught my attention was its vibrant pink color. It adds a touch of style and personality to my kitchen. The overall design is sleek and modern, making it a great addition to any kitchen decor. The size of the microwave is compact, yet it offers a decent capacity of 11 to 20 liters, which is perfect for my everyday cooking needs. Functionality. The Konka T6 microwave oven offers excellent functionality. The mechanical timer control allows me to easily set the desired cooking time. It has 2 heating elements, which ensures that the food is heated evenly and thoroughly. The power range of 801 to 1200 W is ideal for quick and efficient cooking. Number 4. GUSTINO Microwave Oven. I recently had the opportunity to try out the GUSTINO microwave oven, and I must say that I am thoroughly impressed with its performance and features. This countertop microwave oven has proven to be a reliable and convenient addition to my kitchen. Here's a detailed review of the GUSTINO microwave oven based on my experience. Design and features. The GUSTINO microwave oven features a sleek and modern design with a transparent panel, allowing you to monitor your food as it cooks. The mechanical timer control offers easy and intuitive operation, making it simple to set the desired cooking time. The hand-pull type door lock ensures that the oven remains securely closed while in use. Power and capacity. With a power range of 600 to 900 W, this microwave oven delivers efficient cooking results. The 20 to 25 L capacity provides ample space for cooking or reheating a variety of dishes, making it suitable for both small and medium-sized families. Number 3. OLOEY JK12A Microwave Oven. I recently purchased the OLOEY JK12A microwave oven, and I must say it has exceeded my expectations. This compact countertop appliance has proven to be a reliable and efficient addition to my kitchen. Here's my detailed review of the OLOEY JK12A microwave oven. Design and build quality. The microwave oven features a sleek and modern design with a plastic housing and a transparent panel. The housing material feels sturdy and durable, ensuring that the oven will last for a long time. The stainless steel flat underpan tray adds a touch of elegance and is easy to clean. Overall, the design and build quality of the JK12A model are impressive. Functionality. The OLOEY JK12A microwave oven offers a variety of features that make cooking and reheating meals a breeze. The mechanical timer control allows for precise adjustments, ensuring that your food is cooked to perfection. The convection oven functionality is a great addition, enabling me to bake and grill with ease. The 800 W power output is sufficient for most cooking tasks, providing quick and efficient heating. Additionally, the pull-down type door lock adds a sense of safety and convenience. Number 2. LZHZXY NS720 CTM PMOA Microwave Oven. I recently purchased the LZHZXY NS720 CTM PMOA Microwave Oven, and I must say it has exceeded my expectations. This countertop microwave oven has proven to be a valuable addition to my kitchen, with its impressive features and sleek design. One of the standout qualities of this microwave oven is its durable stainless steel housing material. Not only does it add a touch of elegance to my kitchen, but it also ensures the longevity of the appliance. The cast-coated panel further enhances its overall aesthetic appeal. Controlling the NS720 CTM PMOA is a breeze, thanks to the mechanical timer control. The simplicity of the controls makes it easy to navigate and set the desired cooking time. The LCD display provides clear and concise information, making the microwave oven user-friendly. The true microwave function of this LZHZXY oven has been remarkable in delivering efficient and consistent cooking results. With a power output of 700 W and adjustable time up to 30 minutes, it caters to a variety of cooking needs. The 6 adjustable gear settings allow precise control over the cooking process, ensuring optimal results every time. The 20-liter capacity of this microwave oven strikes a perfect balance between compactness and practicality. It comfortably accommodates most standard-sized plates and bowls, making it suitable for everyday use. Number 1. OLOEY T1 101 billion lira microwave oven. I recently purchased the OLOEY T1 101 billion lira microwave oven, and I must say, it has exceeded my expectations. This compact convection microwave oven is perfect for my countertop, and its sleek stainless steel housing adds a touch of elegance to my kitchen. One of the standout features of this microwave oven is its digital timer control. The control panel is easy to use and provides precise timing options, allowing me to cook or heat my food with accuracy. The flat plate panel design adds to the modern aesthetic of the appliance. In terms of performance, the OLOEY T1 101 billion lira delivers exceptional results. With a power range of 600 to 900 W, it offers sufficient power for various cooking tasks. The true microwave function quickly heats up my meals, while the grilling option allows me to achieve that perfect brown and crispy texture on my dishes. The sensor cook feature is a game changer, as it automatically adjusts the cooking time and power level based on the food's moisture and temperature. This ensures that my food is cooked evenly and avoids overcooking or undercooking. The capacity of this microwave oven is ideal for individuals or small families. With a capacity of less than 15 liters, it provides ample space to accommodate most dishes, bowls or plates. The flat underpan tray is easy to clean and ensures even distribution of heat. Thanks for watching this video.